How much should you actually spend on a choke for dove hunting? Because people often grab the cheap ones only to find they don't perform well. It's a bit interesting how price doesn't always equal quality, so let's dig into what really matters. Product number 1, Mojo Outdoors Spinning Wing Decoy. First up, we have the Mojo Outdoors Dove Hunting Decoy priced at $25.27. What caught my attention was its wind-driven spinning wing that can really bring your spread to life. If you want to attract more doves effectively, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. This decoy spins in breezes as light as 5 mph, making it perfect for getting doves to notice your setup from a distance. It's designed to be easy for doves to spot, especially in areas where motorized decoys are prohibited. Plus, with over 50 sales in the past month, it's clear people are catching on to its effectiveness. Now, some people complain that the decoy can be a bit flimsy in high winds. Here's the thing though, if you're hunting in extremely windy conditions, you might want to weigh it down or look for something more robust. But for most standard hunting days, it's a fantastic choice. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a reliable decoy that won't break the bank. Skip this one if you often hunt in very high winds where sturdiness is paramount. Now, if the wind issue bothered you, the next product might actually be even better for stability. Product number 2, Collingmill Dove Tree Mounting Pole. Next up is the Collingmill 8FT Dove Hunting Decoy Pole, which is priced at $48.03. What really stood out to me is its large size design that can accommodate up to 6 static decoys. If you want to significantly improve your trapping effectiveness, this is worth a serious look. This pole extends to 8 feet, which means you can simulate natural roosting behavior for doves. The new hard ground stirrup design with built-in steel spikes secures the pole into the ground effortlessly, even in windy conditions. It folds down to just 30 inches for easy transport, making it a practical tool for any dove hunter. Now, I found some users saying the pole can be cumbersome to set up on your own. Here's the thing, if you've got a hunting buddy, it's not a deal breaker at all, and once it's up, it works like a charm. But if you often hunt solo, just be prepared for a little extra effort. This is perfect for you if you hunt in open fields and want a sturdy setup. Skip this one if you're looking for something super lightweight and easy to maneuver alone. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one might suit you better if you want a more permanent solution for your hunting needs. Product number 3, Carlson's Choke Tubes. Now let's talk about the Carlson's Choke Tubes compatible for Beretta Benelli Mobile, which doesn't have a listed price but is known for its high-quality construction. What impressed me was its 30 years of patterning and testing data backing it up. If you need accuracy and performance, this is worth a serious look. Made from 17-4 stainless steel, it's designed specifically for dove hunters. The choke is constricted at improved modified, measuring 0.595 in diameter, which means it's going to give you tighter shot patterns. That's essential when you're trying to maximize your hits in the field, especially when doves are flying fast. Now, some buyers mention that it can be a bit pricier compared to other options. But here's the thing, the accuracy and quality you get with Carlson's is hard to beat and could save you more in the long run by reducing misses. This is perfect for you if accuracy is your top priority when hunting doves. Skip this one if you're looking for a budget-friendly choke that gets the job done without the same level of precision. Now, if you're looking for something even more specialized, our next product is a great alternative. Product number 4, Mojo Outdoors Dove Decoy Accessories. Next, we have another offering from Mojo Outdoors, the dove hunting decoys and accessories, also priced at $25.27. What caught my attention was its ability to hunt anywhere, especially in areas where motorized decoys are not allowed. If versatility is what you need, this is worth a serious look. It's easy to set up and can be a game changer for your spread. With over 50 sales recently, it's clearly a popular choice among hunters. However, some reviews pointed out that it may require additional components for optimal performance. But I'll be real with you, for the price and the effectiveness it brings, it's a small price to pay. Just make sure you have everything you need before heading out. This is perfect for you if you want a decoy that's easy to transport and set up. Skip this one if you're looking for something that's ready to go right out of the box without any extra accessories. Now, if you appreciate a good hunting accessory, the next product might just be what you need. Product number 5, Game Training Scents for Dogs. Finally, we have game training scents for hunting dogs priced at $49.24. This really caught my eye because having a well-trained dog can elevate your hunting experience. If you want to make sure your dog can track and retrieve effectively, this is worth a serious look. The training scents are specifically designed to help your dog learn to track and retrieve during upland hunts. It's ideal for dove hunting as well, helping to ensure that your dog can bring back those prized birds. With no reviews yet, this is a bit of a gamble, but for serious hunters, it can be invaluable. Some may feel hesitant due to the lack of reviews. But here's the thing, every dog is different, and investing in training tools like this can make a world of difference in your hunting success. This is perfect for you if you're serious about training your hunting dog. Skip this one if you're looking for something that a casual hunter might find sufficient without the extra effort. With these 5 products, you've got a solid selection for improving your dove hunting experience. So there you have it, the Mojo Outdoors Decoy for liveliness, Collingmill's pole for stability, Carlson's choke tube for precision, another Mojo decoy for versatility, and scents for dog training. Each has its strengths, so pick one that resonates with your hunting style. Remember, the right gear can make all the difference in your dove hunting success.